We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. Bafana Bafana opening World Cup game. What a disappointing game. Bafana Bafana 0, Mexico 2. Mr. Cow, uthini mfowethu Nkomo?
But the honest, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, man.
Yeah.
I don't even know and I don't even understand what the coach had to why color defensive football.
Kangaka nakhona.
Mamela bro, ivar liyafuneka. Why siyisho lento leyo? Because we should have even scored one goal.
Yes.
2 red cards does not mean anything in terms of how we played.
Yes.
But now the coach knows exactly what happened.
Yes.
So manje, it was a disappointing game.
Yeah.
Disappointing. We don't even understand what in ourselves as supporters.
Yes.
And as fans and as South Africans. You understand?
We are so disappointed.
Very.
Yeah.
Very. And there's people abashile ukhona nabantu abukufanele ukuthi abathathe.
Yeah.
At the very same time, tholakala ama red card ayi-2.
Mdlalo wokuqala.
Oqala. Sisaya kuphi? You cannot start ibhola nge-defensive bese mawuqeda ufuna ukuthi udefend even further than that.
Yes.
No, it does not happen that way.
Yeah.
So now the reason why I'm saying this, I'm disappointed, is because how we started the game.
Yes.
And at the end of the day, how are we going to go forward? If it's the first game in defensive, so
Five defenders,
3
defensive midfielders.
even worse,
Yeah.
2 red cards.
Kanjani?
Yo,
Kanjani?
uThemba Zwane angazi ukuthi bekaya uphi ngoba akasadlale wonke lama game lawo.
Yes.
uThemba Zwane sikhuluma ngoThemba Zwane.
Umfaka siyadliwa 1 minute.
Sadliwa.
Yeah.
What cost another red card.
Red card.
So how are we expecting Tina as a South African team ukuthi siwine lo game leyo in terms of how we think as a coach and as players or whatever and supporters?
We're playing with prayer. Maybe if God helps us, we'll score.
We are playing with
Yeah.
no. But at the end of the day, what I'm gonna say is that we tried our level best. We
Yes.
tried, and I still believe Uguti, our team is gonna make
To the next round.
a difference.
Yeah.
A difference.
Yes.
It's still gonna happen. It's still gonna happen.
Are we going to score a single goal in this World Cup when we play so
Most
defensive?
definitely.
Yeah.
Most definitely. If our coach needs to understand how we actually played this game today,
Yes.
I think we're gonna have a goal.
We let ourselves down.
Maybe even 2.
Yes.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
if we change the mindset of our goalkeeper,
Yeah.
somehow.
What happened with the first goal?
Yo, usithole Nkosi yami. Usithole Nkosi yami. Angazi nokuthi udlala kuphi, la adlala khona, and is even
Portugal.
uhleli nasebhenjini.
Yeah.
He's sitting wherever he's sitting, then sizomthatha sizomletha la, and our goalkeeper trusts him ukuthi amnikeze ibhola la eduze kwethu.
Yeah.
Then what do you expect? This is the result.
Yeah.
Ukuthi sithole the first goal. So I think
Wasn't it relevant for the goalkeeper to make a clearance? Or just kick the ball forward instead of passing when there was a man behind inside the 18 area.
basically this is basic football,
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah.
This is the World Cup. This is the most important tournament in the whole world.
Yes.
Goalkeeper wethu should have seen and read whatever that was supposed to happen.
Yes.
Noma ngalisa phambili athola bo runners or something. We've got players in
Yes.
front
Yeah.
who are not even working.
It's a clearance, man.
It's a clearance.
Simple.
They were not even working. We've got two
Yeah.
forward.
Yes.
khipha ibhola ulise ebantwini abahambe bayosebenza ngithi bayibhadalela lento leyo.
Yes.
So what was the use ukuthi anikeze i-defender ukuthi asiyazi nokuthi umsebenzi wayini.
Yes.
So the reason why I'm saying this is because it was supposed to be mindset.
Yeah.
But I mean, basically, I'm going to be honest to the whole world. Ne? Ne.
Let me turn when you start
No,
being
it's-
honest. Let me turn around and face the camera with you.
Something is not right with our coaches and everything and whatsoever.
Yes.
Tina, as a country,
Yeah.
we're so disappointed because we can see the game forward and backwards. So if mangabe mhlambe kuyenzeka ukuthi sama player and also,
Yeah.
we just need to be honest to ourselves and play the
Yes.
ball
Yes.
exactly the way it's supposed to be done. So always one.
If it was Peterson, was it going to be better?
Shit.
Because a lot of people wanted Peterson to go there, especially Kaiser Chiefs fans.
I mean, come on, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, come
Yeah.
on, guys.
No, I'm asking.
Come on, guys.
It's an honest question.
The whole nation knows now.
Yeah.
Ngisho noma sekuthiwa singaya kuphi siye kuphi, the whole nation now knows exactly ukuthi uPeterson bamshiye ngamabomu
Yeah.
okanye mabethi it's a mistake.
Yes.
Now nomkhelela kahambanga.
Yeah.
Asazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Ugcine ehambile, man.
Ugcina hambile,
Ugcine ehambile, yeah.
which is good.
Yeah.
Asazi nokuthi wenzeni lapha phambili, but at the end of the day uPeterson vele bekafuneka.
Yeah.
Like
Hayi uChain.
bekuzoyenzakala the very same thing.
No.
But basically this is our football and we need to understand it. Thina kufuze ukuthi sisinke, we need to sink it in terms of our nation.
Yes.
But it doesn't favor our favor. So we very much disappointed.
No, good luck for the next game. Good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
We talk football SA. Inform, entertain, educate, promote. Siyabonga.
Thank you very